Hey guys, it's been a minute. Today we're fishing at Lockport on the Red River, fishing for channel cats. Hopefully I get back on track with uploading videos. Our bait of choice was raw shrimp and goldeye. Holy! Yeah. Watch out, watch out. Whoa. I can't get it off. Good. Oh, fuck, that was loose line. Oh. Oh. Yeah, big, nice one. Yeah. No, it's cat, I think.
That's okay.
Decent size.
Not a monster, but not that much of a fight, so it'll be fine.
So there's rocks, that's why. Oh yeah, that's a bigger one. Oh yeah. Whew. Numbers.
34?
Yep, 34.
Master.
Master. Oh, very good. Boy. Oh boy. Oh boy, that's a big one. That's a big one, I think. Just ran away, I guess, ran quick, I think. Holy. Oh, let your fish, just fish on. Whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. There you go. Yep. Okay. So we're using shrimp. Go like this, yeah. Probably do a better video in the daytime. This is how we do it. Yes. Right now I have 4 ounce weight on there, and it's a rig going down to the shrimp right here. We're gonna cast again. Fish is full of wrong if you man. I'm messing around with you this time. Jesus Christ. Do it to me. Oh yeah. I think so, yeah. Took a lot of line there. Oh yeah. Right. Whew. Oh, yes.
It's hitting that line. It's 34.
Yeah, 34. Yeah. Okay. The master again. At 11 p.m., the bite turned on, and I was catching cats after 2 to 3 minutes of casting, and that went on for about an hour straight. It was pretty intense. Nice in the death roll. What's that? No, I'm good. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Don't snap on me, please. Jeez, okay, that was a stronger one. Arms are getting tired. Yeah. Oh yeah. No. Yeah. That one again. Oh my. Back is getting tired. My shoulder hurts. There you go. Give me a lick of break. Lick of break. I wasn't even 2 minutes.
They come easy until their belly hits the rock.
Yeah. Another fatty again. Alright, ran out of shrimps. Ran out of shrimps, and now we're using pieces of Goldeye. We caught over the winter and fall last year. Goldeye season. Goldeye's looking good. Do it.
Good bait on little fish.
What's that?
Wasted good bait.
Come on. Still got my bait. Gotta try again. Other shrimps. Yep. Jeez, come on. It snagged me. It was a big fish. Maybe not. I don't know. No, yeah. Stick a lot of line. There you go. The 44 again. This time we get rid of this properly. Oh, she's big. You can see the length already.
I don't know. It's not. That's not big.
Oh, spear! Oh no, yeah, she's big. And heavy. Right.
Good. What I'll try to do is bring your finger. Still like 34 and a half, 34 and 3/4. Just shy of 35.
Nice fish. Oh, she's long. It looks way longer though. Than
It did, didn't it? It's a nice fish. Good shape.
Oh. Alright guys, that's it. It's after 1 in the morning. I'm gonna pack up and head home. It was a pretty good night. Caught over, I would say, maybe 20 catfish. Maybe 6 or 8 masters. So very good way to start the season. The next time we'll probably be heading to the lake for some walleyes. Alright guys, that's it for now. See you till next time. Thanks for watching.